Hi, everyone. Today we're going to be working on questions 87 and 89 from the most recent practice test you guys did.
Let's dive right into it. So Lamel has a jar containing 6 red chips, 10 blue chips, and 4 blue chips. If he removes one chip at random, what is the probability that it will not be red?
The question is asking the probability of pulling a chip out of the jar that is not red. To do so, we must remember that probability is a fraction. The numerator is what we want, the denominator is what we have. So they're asking for the number of chips that are not red over or divided by the total number of chips.
So to do this, we can calculate how many chips there are in total. We can subtract the amount of red chips from the total number of chips in the jar to find the number of possible outcomes. So then we can divide the number of possible outcomes in the scenario, meaning when the chip is not red, by the total number of outcomes or the total chips in the jar. So there are 6 red chips, 10 blue chips, and 4 yellow chips. That means there are 20 chips in total.
20 chips minus the 6 red chips is 14 chips. That means there are 14 possible chips that are not red.
The probability is written as a fraction. It is 14 over 20, which can be reduced to 7 over 10, which is answer of choice B.
Great job, everyone. Let's move on to question 89. It reads, Mei Ling is one of 6 members of a committee. If 2 members of that committee are selected to go to a conference, how many of the possible pairs of members could Mei Ling be a part of?
So the way I would solve this equation is by remembering better that there are 6 members in this group. So if they need to be in pairs of 2 for the conference, Mei Ling can pair up with each of the other 5 members, right? So therefore, Mei Ling can be in 5 possible pairs, meaning the answer is A.
Another way to think about this question is by setting up a chart with all the possible pairs of members to see how many pairs include Mei Ling.
I'll label each of the members A through E and ML for Mei Ling.
On this graph, we can also see that there are 5 pairs that include Mei Ling.
And, 5 is our answer, or answer choice B. So great job, everyone. Thank you for joining us. 10 more days, I think, till the test, and keep up the great work. Bye.
Bye.